We've got just a quick one today. So I've got Pokemon Emerald here, which can play, but it comes up saying the internal batteries run dry. So clock-based events will no longer occur. So it should be a pretty quick and easy fix. It's trying out. Get that one screw off. The clock-based events in that game are things like growing berries and stuff like that. I haven't played that game for a while, but that's our battery. If we replace that, we should be all good. I've got my new battery there. It's called like a CR 1616 or 2. Oh, I can't see what it says on there. Soldering iron on. A little bit of flux on it. Oops. I'm gonna wick this old solder off. I've just put my solder on there. It's got positive on the bottom, which connects to that terminal, which is on there. See, little indicators on the board, positive, negative. The feet are a little bit shorter on these compared to the factory battery, but it's alright. It'll work. Like it back in the housing. See what happens. Look at that. No more battery problem. Game can be played as normal. I have no idea where this is at. So, alright, all done for today.